Okay, let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have a set of Pannier racks, left side, right side, a cross brace, the supplied hardware, 4 M8 by 60 millimeter long Allen bolts, plus washers. And then we have 2 of these open-ended spacers, as well as 4 M6 by 20 millimeter long Allen bolts, plus 2 washers and a nylock nut for each bolt. The tools I'm going to be using: ratchets, a small and a big one, an extension, 10 millimeter wrench or spanner. I'm going to be using a T40 Torx bit or a socket, and a 5 and 6 millimeter Allen sockets, or you can use Allen keys if that's what you have. Also important to put a dab of medium strength thread locker on the M8 by 60 bolts. Okay, the first thing, grab the T40 Torx and remove this bolt and remove this bolt. We're gonna remove them on both sides, but first only one side, because we don't want this grab handle to fall off. And then loosen these bolts on the foot pegs. So do not take them out, loosen them only, so they can drop down and make about a 6-7 millimeter gap, or like a 1/4 inch gap. Okay, I have the long M8 bolt prepped. I'm gonna push it through here and then just hand thread. No need for tools at this point. And then grab the next one. You might need to adjust the grab handle because it tends to move and shift. I'm gonna turn this a couple of times. Okay, we have the spacer here. I'm gonna slide it in place. And then turn this bolt a couple of times just to pinch it and keep it in place. The bolts have been removed. These bolts have been loosened. So now we can go ahead and mount the right side. No difference versus the left side. You might need to pull down on the exhaust pipe to slide the front end in place. And then the same thing here, just hand thread this. You might need to move this grab handle, and we're all good now. Okay, now the spacer on this side as well. Pull down, put it in place like so, and then turn that bolt a few times. Okay, now it's time to install the cross brace. This is the short side, the left side. You can see it's shorter here. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in place. Have your M6 by 20 millimeter long bolts prepped, washer, and then on the back side, spin on the nylock nut. Same thing on this side. Don't forget the washer, nylock nut.